My son was watching Mandalorian series, and then he saw this scene. Immediately he asked me, "Can you add the same rangefinder on the Mandalorian helmet you're doing for me?" And then I say, "Okay, let's try." So stick around and let's do it together. Hi there, my name is Paulo and we are the 3D Coffee Shop. Here is your hub for everything printing, smart design, and creative solutions. While watching the Mandalorian series, my son saw the Boba Fett helmet with the rangefinder. At the time, we were printing the Mandalorian helmet that, by the way, do not have the rangefinder, but he asked me to include that. So I picked up all the designs I downloaded from Thingiverse for the Mandalorian helmet and start to focus on the earpiece to include the rangefinder mechanism. I noticed later on that I also need to modify the helmet because it was not just the case to include the magnet, but also avoid the rotation of earpiece that's attached on the helmet. I modified the earpiece design, stretching the Y scale to include the arm, creating a sandwich in between the parts and also the helmet. So in this way I could attach these parts on the helmet once the magnet goes in the center. So at the end, this is the final result. It's a normal Mandalorian helmet. I do not go too much in detail for it, but at the end, this is the result. So this is the magnet earpiece, and then you can remove, but this is the slot I mentioned I need to make to attach the piece again. In fact, this slot is made by the rangefinder attachment just to avoid bending or falling down when you put here. So you just attach here and that's it. So it stays firmly in place, you can swing without any problem. And this is the final result. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comment down below. See you in the next one. Bye!